How to move channels on Discord mobile. So first is you have to go to your Discord application. Now, first things first is you have to make sure that the Discord is you're the owner of the Discord, or you have the capability to actually manipulate the channels, or you are set to do that by the owner. So let's say you're an admin and you are capable of that. So all you have to do is to tap on that server here and tap on the three dash line, and here you will see on the upper part you'll see the server's name, and beside that you will see three dots there. Tap on that, and then under the server you will see four different options. Tap on settings and then go to channels here. Now here on the upper right, you'll see reorder there. Tap on reorder, and let's say reorder the text channels. As you can see, I have a text channel under the voice channel, so I want to put it on the text channel. So all you have to do is to long press the text channel. So you'll see six dots there. Tap on that, long press. As you can see, I can now move it. Now you just have to move it on the upper part, and here it is now set under text channels. So you tap on done here. Now as you can see, it is now done. So let's go back here, just close everything here, and as you can see, we have successfully moved the channels on Discord using mobile. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Discord application, and just go to your Play Store, App Store, and then update the application there and do the same process again. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.